2.3.6 by Andrick, Levi, Jose, and Kenzie, um, and presented by me. So here we have the table of contents: define problem, generate concept, develop solution, construct and test, evaluate solution, and present solution. First, we have define problem. So here's our social contract. You can see the rules we made, such as if you do not do any work, -3 points, even though you'll probably get a 0. Here's our emails, except for Kenzie's. She hasn't added her yet. Here's the link to the Google Doc, and yeah. Define the problem, working off of what we did in our last project. We are now going into the rooms and keeping all the similar functions with addition of being able to park at destination. And here you can see the requirements, such as a copy of the DPC, video program running, whatever that says, independent written responses describing your development process, and presentation to your class. Generate concept. So this is the planning. We have already mapped out our path and designed when to stop, go left, and go right. When we did our last project, we did all that when we did our last project. Now we're just mapping out where it will park and where exactly in the room it will go. Here are the tools we need. Obviously, we need the robot, vision sensor, 3 wires, colored cones. Actually, we use tape, batteries, and Mr. Vote. Develop solution. Here you can see our Gantt chart. So December 5th, we did define, generate concept, and develop solution. And then 7th and 12th, we did constructed tests, where we are kind of just like testing out to see what works and what won't. And then on the 13th, which is today, we evaluated and presented. Here's just saying what we did on those days. So December 5th, I did develop solution. 7th, I adjusted the code. 12th, I helped do construct and test. And 13th, we're all presenting. So here's the path I'm taking. This right here is not right. This is what the colors we started with. Really, end and start is either gold or pink. Turn right is a purple. No, turn left is a purple. Turn right is a blue. And then obviously here the red is the path. And this right here is the door. And you can see all the 90-degree turns, the distance between 2 places. Here's our pseudocode, basically just saying what the path is doing. It's saying to follow the path, saying that right is whatever color, left is whatever color, and stop is whatever color. Saying go forward a specific amount, turn, so on and so forth. And it also says when to stop. Here's our flow chart. So here you can see start, go forward required amount, and then here, if it sees designated color, it will turn right. If not, it will just keep going, and then it just keeps doing that until it gets to the destination. We couldn't extend it below here, so it just extend to here. And it's basically just the same thing over and over again. The only thing changing is whether it's turning right or left. Construct and test. So here's our old code, and basically what we got this code from Quentin, and what it does is it uses the vision sensor to sense when to turn right, left, or stop at specific color. And it's just going forward, and then once it sees the color, it turns. The problem with this is our vision sensor would not work, so it wouldn't sense the colors. It would sense it like half of the time, so obviously that wouldn't work. And here's the new code. Um, and instead of using the vision sensor, we just used dead reckoning skills. Um, and using the dead reckoning skills, we just told it go forward this amount, turn here, go forward, turn left, so on and so forth. Here you can see we set drivetrain, we set the velocity. The problem is because of the bumpy surface that our robot is going on, it would change its direction, and like every time it went, it would go like a different amount forwards, so it just didn't really work. Now evaluate solution. So here you can see evaluations from Ricky, Colton, and Quentin. Ricky just saying change up the Gantt chart. That's basically what Colton said. Quentin said it's well structured, well explained, overall well done. Though the template used is a bit taxing on my eyes. He's just hating. That's Jose's. Where's mine? Oh, here's our rubric. Here's how I graded myself. And yeah. Now you will see a video of our robot.
We were just lovers, sitting in the car, listening to plot, falling for each other. Picking out skies, feeling super child, this is Madonna Glover. It's called for my mother. Like, where you at tonight, gonna lullaby, I was all alone.